Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com, and welcome to another John Chow screencast. It is a new month, and that means it is time to find out how much money I made from MOBE for the previous month. In this case, May 2017. I've been doing these income reports for quite a while now. The reason I do them for is to A, prove that yes, you can make money doing this, and I do make money doing this, and B, to motivate and inspire you so you can create your own .com lifestyle, make money online, and live a life of time freedom, money freedom, and location freedom. Now, before we begin, a disclaimer. What I'm about to show you is my income. This is what I made. What I make is in no way indicative of what you can make. So if you decide you want to do this, do not take what I make as, yes, I'm going to make the same amount, because odds are it probably won't happen unless you have 10 plus years of internet marketing experience, already established traffic sources, connections, and all that other stuff. Okay, so this is my result. Just so you know, this is my result. So I'm not. My result is not going to be your result. All right. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is we are going to log in. Find a new screen here, and we're going to log in to affiliates.mobe.com. Okay, gonna log in. And then we're gonna go, once it loads up here, we're gonna go to reports and go to reports. I'm gonna go to my save report here. Gonna go to my John Chow, and then we are gonna go to last month. Not this month, last month. Yeah, last month. So that's May 1 to May 31. Hit apply, and there we go. So last month, May 1 to May 31, 2018, I made $86,811.82 plus $3,605.40 of pending payout. Pending payout means the money has been made, the sale has been made. We are waiting for the money to clear the bank, or waiting for payments, or waiting for the customer to sign the contract. But the sale has been made. It was made last month. So if you add up the payout and the pending payout, we get $90,417.22. So yeah, pretty good. Now, there are a few other money that I get from MOBE that is not included in the payout and the pending payout. The first one is the car bonus. My Tesla Model X. I don't have to pay for that. MOBE pays for that. I get $1,800 a month for the car. So we add the $1,800 a month to it. That brings the total to $92,217.22. And also, I also get some travel bonuses when I go speak at events. MOBE pays me to go speak at Costa Rica, or when I go to Fiji. MOBE covers all those expenses. Also pays me a bonus for doing that as well. And last month, my travel bonus came to $5,878.84. So that's a car bonus, and travel bonus came to $7,678.84. That brings my total MOBE income for the month of May 2018 to $98,096.06. Or if you want, $3,164.39 a day, which works out to $131.85 for every hour of the day based on a 24-hour day. But of course, no one can work 24 hours a day. If we were to base this on an 8-hour workday, I'm averaging $395.55 an hour on an 8-hour workday. Now, there is also one other bonus that's a non-cash bonus that I haven't talked about, and that's called, let me show you, it's called MOBE Vacation Points. Let me bring this up here. So this is the MOBE Vacation Points, and when you make sales in MOBE, you earn these points to stay at the MOBE resort, the one in the Costa Rica, the Sunset Del Mar, and the new one in Fiji. So every $1,000 of sales, or every $1,000 of commissions that you make, you get 1 point. And each point is worth $100 to stay at the MOBE resort. So with last month I did like $90,000, so I will get 90 points at $100 each. That's $9,000 to stay at the MOBE resort, and I believe right now I haven't used up any of those points. I'm at 579 points, which at $100 a point is $57,900. That means basically, if I want, I can live at the resort. I can live at the resort and just that could be my new home. That could be my new home if I want. Everything we cover, free food, everything is paid for. I could live there. But yeah, it's not real cash. It's just the vacation. So I don't include it in this bonus. But basically, I suppose if I do use it, it's $9,000 of benefits that should be added, but I don't. So we'll keep it with just the cash stuff right now. So in terms of cash, $98,096.06. Now, whenever I show this, the first question I always get is, how much is my ad budget? How much money did I spend to create $98,000 of income? And the answer is, my marketing budget last month, I spent a grand total of zero. Nada, take all. I do not promote MOBE using any paid traffic method at all. All my traffic is generated organically. They come from my blog. They come from my YouTube channel. They come from social media, my Twitter account, all this stuff. So basically, I use all those channels to drive traffic to MOBE, and that's what creates the money. And in the future, I may add some pay advertising to it to really scale it up. But for now, I'm happy with the current results. I mean, this is not my best month, but hey, I mean, $98,000. I'll take it. I'll take it. All right. So if you want to find out how I do this, and honestly, I cannot explain this in this 10-minute video, but what I have done is I've written an ebook on this, and it's called The Ultimate Online Profit Model. And below this video is a link to download it. It teaches you the 3 business models that I use to make money online and live the .com lifestyle. It's totally free, so if you haven't got a copy, go down there and click on the link and get yourself a copy, and you can find out how I created all of this. Alternatively, if you want a little more coaching, a little more hand-holding, talk to someone, you can go for my 21-step ultimate.com lifestyle coaching program. This is a 21-step system that I created with MOBE. It takes you step by step to show you how I do what I do. I'll give you a personal one-on-one coach to help you, guide you, motivate you, and teach you. Unlike the ebook, it is not free. It costs $49, one-time fee, allows you to go through all 21 steps. All right, so what I recommend, if you're really interested in this, go apply, go through the 21 step, connect with your coach, and afterward, if you decide this is for you, then hey, great, welcome aboard. I look forward to meeting you and seeing you in a live event. But if you decide it's not for you, then not a problem at all. 30-day money back guarantee, just get a refund and go on with your life. And that's basically it. So yeah, it's been a really, really good month, and June is looking really good as well. June's looking really, really good. So I can't wait to show you what happens in June. I have a feeling I will beat May, but we will find out. Anyway, that's it. If you have any question, leave it down below. Welcome your feedback, welcome your comment. Give me a thumbs up if you like this, and I'll see you guys on the next episode.